Hey guys, I decided to do a series of quick videos to show you some of the stitches that I will be featuring in my upcoming patterns and tutorials, and these are a little bit more advanced than just your basic knit purl type stitches. And so hopefully these will be quick videos where I'll just show you one or two types of a type of a decrease or an increase, or one or two techniques in each video. So hopefully they'll be like 2 or 3 minute videos and not too long, but it'll be a slower demonstration, and you'll be able to learn these if this is a new stitch for you or if you just want a refresher. So in this first video I'm going to show you how to do a knit 2 together and a purl 2 together. Now both of these you'll see them abbreviated in patterns as k2tog or p2tog, and both of these are a way to decrease 2 stitches down to 1 stitch. You're doing this knit 2 together by knitting 2 stitches and doing the purl 2 together by purling 2 stitches. So let me show you how that's done. I just have a few stitches here knit up for this demonstration, just with garter stitch, so it's just knit each row. And to knit 2 stitches together, what you're going to do is you're going to knit the next 2 stitches on the left needle at the same time. And to do that, take your right needle and insert it through the front loops of both stitches. You're going to insert it through the second stitch first and then through the first stitch, okay? And you've inserted them just through the front loops of both stitches. And then, make sure I do that right. And then yarn over, bring the yarn through, and then drop both stitches at the same time. And you've just done a knit 2 together where you've decreased those 2 stitches down to 1 stitch. And you'll notice that the new stitch that you've made is leaning to the right, okay? And so that's what a knit 2 together gives you, a decrease that leans to the right. Let's see that one more time. I'm just going to knit a couple more stitches here. And so again, knit 2 together, insert through front loops of both of the next stitches, knit regularly, pull it through both stitches, and then drop both stitches. Now to purl 2 together, it's identical except you're purling. So let me bring the yarn to the front to purl, and you're going to insert your right needle through the front loops of both stitches, but this time you're doing the first stitch, then the second stitch, okay? And then pull the yarn through both stitches just like a regular purl and drop both of those stitches off. We'll see that one more time. Insert through front loops of both stitches, yarn over, the regular purl, and then drop both stitches off at the same time. And there you have it. That's your knit 2 together and purl 2 together.